Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can add a code block to your whiteboards and presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. All right guys, so let me add or head over to that mind map here. And let me add also a frame just for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, here to the right, added the code block to that frame. So what you want to do guys is to click into that plus button at the bottom of that customization panel to the left. And from there, scroll down, and here under Essentials, you will find the code block feature. Let me find it really quickly. There it is. So let's click into it. You may also pin it to your toolbar by clicking into that button here, and that is going to add it to the toolbar here. So you may directly access it by clicking into it, and after that, the cursor will change its looks like that. So simply left click where you'd like to place the code block, and there you go. Now, as you can see, it is a part of that frame here. So guys, what you want to do is simply type in your code here, where it says type something. And I'm not an expert, of course, in coding, so I don't know which code to use here, but you can always switch between languages, coding languages like JavaScript, for instance, C++, Python, and so on and so forth, or JSON, CSS, HTML. Increase the font size here, decrease, use line numbers, or access more customization tools and options by clicking into these three dots here. For example, export your code as a CSV or create a frame from it. Let me do it really quickly. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. You may also convert it into a slide. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you that's how you create a code block in your presentation on Miro. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.